say you're at a 4 on focus. Understand that's so connected to a story outside, and we've got to change that story that you've been projecting. Because all of our results, all they tell us is what we've been most committed to. So imagine that I don't need you to be focused 24 hours a day. But if you just are focused in your morning routine, if you're focused and present in your processes, if you're focused in your sprints, you're going to change the game. But it's about really putting this with the 1% rule, where you define your 1%, and your 1% for the next 30 days is going to be focus. Now, when we're recording this, we've already started the fourth quarter. Now, watch what will happen in the month of October and November for you if you practice this in 2 30-day sprints of focus. It will change the game. It will